This is going to be an unboxing of this 2-in-1 water tank earwax remover in the box. Let's power it up first of all. So right now we're at 98%. And then one good thing about this, it actually comes almost fully charged from the factory. And down here is where you have your different modes. So at the moment, there's no water in here, but this here is made to sit around your ear like this. This is where the water is going to shoot out of. They actually give you 3 different ear inserts. If you look closer, there is 3 holes in the center of it. And they also give you additional ones. This one here has 5 holes, and this one here has 1 hole. And the reason for the different holes is when you're first starting, especially if you've never used an earwax cleaner like this, they want you to be smart and to be safe about it. Probably want to start off in low mode. Want to use the one that has the 5 holes in it. The reason being is because if there's more holes for the water to protrude out of, it's going to be less pressure in your ear. So once you get used to it, you can go from the 5 down to the 3, which is the one that you see here on the device itself. And then if you want to get really crazy, you can switch to the one that has the single hole. And again, just to remind you, that is just because of the amount of water. So when I fill this up, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about, because I'm going to let some water shoot out and you're going to see exactly how this thing works. But all you do is this portion here fits in your ear canal. You place it over your ear. You want to tilt your ear. So if I'm cleaning my left ear, you want to put this over your ear and let this cup, this rubberized cup, seal over your ear. Then you want to turn the thing on. You're going to feel for the bottom button there. That's going to be your low setting there. That's going to be your pulse. And that's going to be your high. Just tap that power button one time and that'll pause it. And so after using this, I actually preferred the pulsing because it shoots the water out like that into your ear, and it actually cleans your ear out really well. When we were doing it earlier, my wife actually was using it in her ear, and she actually got some good amount of wax out of her ear. And one thing that I want to recommend is you want to use warm water, okay, and you also want to let it shoot in your ear and then go to your other ear and then come back, because the warm water that was shot into your ear may end up loosening some of the stuff that was in there, and you may get some of the gunk out of your ear. So they give you a bag of different size nozzles. You get the 5 hole, the 3 hole, and the 1 hole. It also comes with a USB-C. You use an adapter to plug it into an outlet. And then your tank here has 2 reservoirs, like I explained earlier. Again, I love this thing, so let's put some water in it and let's see how it works. So the way this works is we're going to fill this one up with some warm water. So if you look at it, it has a max fill line and it has different levels of where you want to fill it up to. So I just fill it all the way up. Then what you want to do is you want to put your little hose in the side that has the water. So some of you are probably wondering, what is the other side of the tank for? Well, the other side of the tank is, so as you're shooting this water into your ear, if you see this little area down here, all the water that gets trapped up against your face when you have it pressed up against your ear, all the water that gets trapped in here goes in this hole and fills up the empty reservoir. So there's no mess, there's no water anywhere. So you'll probably get a little bit of drippage depending on how tight you push it up against your ear. So let's give this thing a shot. We're going to start off on low. As you can see the L blinking right there. See the L? That's for low. Next one will be for high. I'm not going to push it now because water will shoot all out. Okay, so all you do is you place it up against your ear. You want to form a cup around your face so you don't have water dripping down your chin, and the water should collect in that little reservoir there, which will fill up the other side of the tank here. So let's give it a go. Now to stop it, you want to push the power button because it acts like a pause button. But I'm going to allow some of the water to shoot out just so you can see what it actually looks like. That's how it shoots out. That's the pulse. And that's going to be your high. If you have issues with your ears, whether it's wax buildup or things of that nature, this would be great for your kids. I highly recommend this thing. Again, it cleans your ear good. You make sure you use warm water. And again, I want to recommend that you start off probably using the 5-hole ear adapter, and then slowly work your way down to the 3 and then down to the 1 if once your ear can get used to handling it. Super easy to use, rechargeable, comes with the cord, not a whole lot of mess. The only mess is here because of me squirting the water and allowing you guys to kind of see how it works. I'm telling you, I've never seen a device like this, and my wife and I love it. So click that link, check it out.